Welcome to my channel and thank you for stopping by. In today's video, I am going to share with you some reasons why you need to avoid a cheater. Some reasons why you need to avoid a cheater and save yourself from pains and depression. Before I proceed, who is a cheater? A cheater is someone who makes someone to believe in something that is not true to be true. But in relationship, a cheater is someone who is unfaithful in marriage or in a relationship. So why do you need to avoid a cheater? Why do you need to stop one from being a friend if he or she is a cheater? The reason why you need to avoid a cheater are many, but in today's video, I am going to share with you some reasons why you need to avoid a cheater. And once you avoid a cheater in your life, you will be happy. Once you avoid a cheater in your life, you will enjoy marriage or you will enjoy any relationship you get yourself into. Number one reason that you need to avoid a cheater is that a cheater don't care about your emotion. Yes, a cheater don't care about your emotion in the sense that he or she is living her life. He don't care if you are passing through emotional depression or you are not living well because of thinking and meditation over him or her. Maybe you are in a marriage, or assuming that you are in a marriage, for example, and your partner is a cheater, unfaithful someone. Think about how you will feel. Think about the level and the depth of your thinking because of his or her unfaithfulness. Being in a relationship with a cheater can make you or cause you emotional depression, and you can never be happy. You can't enjoy that marriage or that relationship. So all you need to do is to avoid a cheater. You may ask me, how do you know a cheater? You can know a cheater from his way of life. He can make you, in fact, he can deceive you. He will tell you false information, and he will always live a life that he will avoid people to know his way of life. That is a cheater. Number two reason why you need to avoid a cheater is that cheaters are extravagant. They live a life of extravagance. The money or the capital or the fund they are supposed to use to invest on tangible something, they will use it to look good, to attract people or to attract attention. That's just it. Cheaters don't think about tomorrow. They don't think about investments. They don't think about growing, or maybe in a marriage, they don't think about family growth. All they cares about is to look good. And remember, when someone always likes to look good, it attracts wealth. It attracts money. Money makes one to look good. Hope you know. You buy expensive clothes, expensive shoe, jewelries, wristwatch, so many things that will make you to look good. That is what cheaters get themselves in, or that is what cheaters like to do. They live extravagant life, and you being faithful and you are living with a cheater, you can never enjoy that marriage because you might think of investing, and your cheater or your partner who is unfaithful using the capital that is supposed to be used to invest, he will use it to make sure that he look good to attract attention. Third reason why you need to avoid a cheater is that they are liars. They can deceive you. They can take you to places where you never imagine in the sense of, or in the name of deceiving you. They can disappoint you. In fact, they are not encouraging. And remember that A liar is a thief. Hope you know. A liar don't want to be a friend. Talk more of to be in a relationship with a cheater or to get married to a cheater. He will always deceive you. So you need to avoid cheaters to save yourself from depression. You need to avoid cheaters to save yourself from pains. Your emotion will deteriorate once you have a cheater. So all you need is to avoid a cheater for you to be happy in life. And once you can be able to avoid a cheater in your marriage or in your relationship to start with, you must be a happy somebody. Remember, any marriage or any relationship that there is no happiness don't want to be in or don't want to stand. So once you are with a cheater, you will never experience happiness. So I am making this video to advise everyone out there to avoid being in a relationship with a cheater or to get married to a cheater. So once you are with a cheater, it can deprive you happiness and comfortability. I hope you like this video and this video is valuable. Please, if you do, make sure that you hit the like button and subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload a good content like this. Like and share this video. If you have any question, comment below or make sure that you comment on this video. Let me know what you think. Thank you for watching my video and thank you for stopping by. See you in my next video. Thanks.